Hey there. Thanks for watching my Chill Commissions review by Ryhan, Higgins, and Zach Onchoka, where I'm not just going to walk you through the sales page and show you the demo video like a lot of other marketers do. I'm Susie. I'll be your affiliate marketing informant today. This Chill Commissions review is based on my honest opinion of actually logging into this dashboard myself, and I'm going to take you with me as we research this platform, the strategy they want you to use, and any problems that I see with it. If you are looking for honest and ethical ways to make money online, be sure to check out our instant access link in the description below. If you find value in this video, please give it a like, subscribe and hit that notification bell, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer them for you as soon as I can. Now let's see what Chill Commissions promises us. This is the simple copy and paste method that banks him up to $250 per day, all in less than 30 minutes. It's newbie friendly and easy to set up. There will be 100% free traffic, 100% beginner friendly, no experience needed, no email list needed, and you would just copy and paste what they do. If we scroll down just a little bit, they do tell us that Chill Commissions does not require begging JV partners for sales, a huge marketing budget, no list, no product creation or Facebook posts, and no technical skills or sales skills. Let's take a look. Once we purchased Chill Commissions, we got a thank you page. As I scroll down, this looked very familiar to a lot of Glenn Kosky's products because I have seen a lot of those. And once we got down to the traffic section, I knew that that was true. And he also told us in the video up here that he partnered with Glenn Kosky. So that does explain it. Now we're in the dashboard of Chill Commissions. And this is a total of about 2 hours of training. Unfortunately, though, there is some training missing. The set up your affiliate link section was supposed to be basics of affiliate marketing. This is going to be necessary for a newbie, so it's a real shame that that's not here. First, he shows you where to ethically steal videos to post on your channel. And by the way, you need a YouTube channel. So he says go make one of those and just come back. There's no training on that. And the videos that he suggests you use, he specifically didn't reveal this in his demo video, so out of respect, I won't either. But the video that he suggests you steal or hijack and then publish on your channel is a strategy that I have seen before. And in all fairness, the people that make those videos expect you to use them in that manner. I still stand by reaching out to creators and requesting permission before you use their video on your channel. It can lead to copyright strikes and violations, so be very careful. It's always best practice to ask the creators permission to use their videos. And you also need to be very specific that you want to monetize or make money off of that video yourself, because that could get you in trouble as well. As with most affiliate marketing strategies, you are going to need to find a product to promote, and you will still have to wait for approval to get promoted. So where he tells us we won't have to beg JV partners for sales, we still will be waiting for approval from them. So if you do actually get approved, this strategy gives you the first day of the launch of that product to get all of these steps completed and done. His training on picking out products are not based on the quality of the product that you are suggesting to your audience. It is based on the price of the video you pick out. We personally don't agree with this method, and it is not the strategy that we choose to use, because if we ask you to spend money on a product, we want to know it's worth it and that it is a quality product. Next, you'll need to get your Done For You money page done, and this is where it starts to get interesting. You will have to get a Convertri account to use Chill Commissions. You will also have to get a GetResponse account. So the Convertri account is actually a page builder for your opt-in page that is done for you with Chill Commissions. And if we look at their pricing, it's going to be $99 a month after the 14-day free trial. You have to have that to use Chill Commissions. You also have to have a GetResponse account. Now, in all fairness, you're going to need an autoresponder if you want to be an affiliate marketer, but you shouldn't be told which one you have to have just so you can get a template. GetResponse is $15 after the 30-day free trial, And I'm a bit confused why you would need a landing page builder with Convertri, because you can build landing pages in GetResponse. So I'm confused why that strategy wasn't offered. But once you get those accounts all set up for yourself, you will take the link of that done for you opt-in page and paste it into your YouTube video description. Now there is a training section in here on video optimization or making your video description full of keywords and adding tags to help your video rank on YouTube search. And this is where we get to start talking about traffic. Because the deal here is to get your video watched as many times as you can. That will help you rank on YouTube, but his further suggestion to rank on YouTube is the Done For You suite. If we go through that link, it's currently at a 2.0 or a 3.0, and it's going to be $37 or $47 a month going forward also. So far that's 3 products with monthly fees going forward that you were not expecting with this $13 product. Done For You Suites is actually a backlink generator, which is a more advanced technique for affiliate marketers, and it is a little bit more technical with some skills required. And with these 3 products, we're definitely going to need a marketing budget per month to afford these. Once you've done all that, to start getting traffic, he actually suggests emailing your video link to your current existing list, which he said there was no email list needed. But that's okay, because if you don't have an email list, his next suggestion is to actually join as many Facebook groups as you can and make posts to generate traffic. Now, I don't suggest you do this because most Facebook pages are going to kick you out if you start spamming them with links and posts. And the next suggestion for scaling up, or if that traffic wasn't enough, is to do paid solo ads and pay for views on your videos, which means it is not organic and it will cause spikes and lows on your channel, which is not great for your channel. Also, solo ads and paying for views can get very expensive very quick, and you can lose a lot of money if it's not targeted exactly the right way. If you do get views to your video and a few people start giving you email addresses with your opt-in page, we will need emails to send out in our email sequence. Ryhan, the creator, does suggest a 100-day email sequence to follow. However, he only gives you 5 here on the front end. There is an upgrade that you can purchase 30 more emails, but that's 35 out of 100. And he says after that, you can just write your own because that's easy enough, right? And in this email sequence of 100 days, he says to make sure you send your affiliate link out to your list every single day, which seems a lot like spam. He does give you a daily checklist of things to follow going forward, and that is chill commissions. So what is the exact strategy that they're trying to get you to use? They want you to steal other people's videos because you are not asking permission, to drive traffic to a link in your YouTube video description for a done-for-you opt-in page that you can only use with his suggested products. Once you start receiving the email addresses, you will spam them with a recommended 100-day email sequence with only 5 email swipes provided in the front end. And be sure to ask them to buy something from you with an affiliate link every single day. This is a similar strategy to what we use at Affiliate Marketing Informant. We do choose to make the videos ourselves, and we also choose to only promote good quality products that we've seen results with ourselves, like we do provide in our instant access link below. I am currently going through JayKay Dowdell's new RHIMS 5 program, which also has a similar strategy. We did do this article on our website about JayKay Dowdell, the creator, and RHIMS 5. So if that's something you're interested in, be sure to head down to the resources in the description below and you can read about that or try it yourself. It is a little bit higher price point, but so far I am very pleased with the training. And once I get done with the training, be on the lookout because I will have a review video posted. So what's my biggest issues with chill commissions? Well, the strategy that they want you to use is there's no research going into picking out your affiliate products. It is based on price point and the video that you choose. Also, for you to copy and paste their strategy, you have to have Convertri at $99 a month and GetResponse at $15 a month. as well as a highly suggested $47 a month done for you suite, which is going to be an advanced technique of a backlink generator. Not to mention, the only suggestion of scaling up is paid traffic. I also feel like the email strategy he suggests with a 100-day email sequence is very spammy. If you're going to send that many emails, some of them should just be value and not actually asking for a sale. That's just my suggestion. But what do you do when you get emails asking people to buy something from you every single day? Do you read them every single day? Or do you start ignoring them? Or do you unsubscribe from them? Nobody wants to be unsubscribed from. Let's take a look at the pricing. On the front end, Chill Commissions is $12.95. Upsell number 1 is $27. Upsell number 2 is $47. Upsell number 3 is $97. Upsell number 4 is $67. And upsell number 5 is $114. All total, this is going to run you $394.95. Don't forget the extra monthly charges from Convertri, Done For You Suites, and GetResponse that are required to run this program and strategy the way it is trained. And that's a heck of a lot of extra expenses that Chill Commissions didn't mention on the sales page. There is missing training in here. There's no experience needed, but some of the backlinks and solo ads could be considered advanced techniques. Because if you don't know what you're doing, you can lose money fast. I wouldn't waste my time, energy, or money on Chill Commissions. If you are looking for honest and ethical ways to make money online, be sure to head down to our resources section in the description below or through the instant access link. If you found value in this video, please give us a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And I really hope this Chill Commissions review answered all of your questions. If you still have questions, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching!